Hi guys, it's Kate Somerville here, and I'm so excited because we are launching our first ever cream cleanser, but we put it in a cold cream format. So you asked me, what is a cold cream? A cold cream is a moisturizing way to cleanse the skin and get rid of all that makeup, even if you wear waterproof mascara. And this is really inspired by all my makeup artists that come to me in the clinic, and they're like, Kate, we need to remove makeup, but we want to do it gently so we don't irritate the skin and we keep that skin hydrated. I hope you try it. You're gonna love this product. Your skin's gonna feel amazing. You're not gonna feel stripped after you use it. I think you're gonna really love it.